Supaya kita tak rasa macam God like, oh I can get this sorted,
Yes,
no
yes.
problem. And I think
Sebenarnya jauh di sudut hati tu, doktor ada tak pernah takut buat silap?
of course. Sentiasa. Saya rasa kalau sebagai seorang manusia dan sebagai doktor yang beretika, itu penting ya, akan sentiasa rasa risau. Okay? Akan sentiasa rasa kadang-kadang tak puas hati, kadang-kadang rasa I could have done better, you know, kind of thing. And of course, bila kita nak buat sesuatu tu, kita akan rasa macam I have to give my best, okay? Tetapi things can happen, kan? So yes, of course. Dan saya rasa itu satu sifat yang kita sebagai seorang doktor yang perlu ada. Okay? When you too overconfident, that's when problems happen. Jadi sifat risau ni saya rasa bagus kerana satu, the other thing about doctors and especially surgeon, sebab doktor mata ni surgeons, ya. Okay, kita kena always think kalau of the worst scenario supaya kita prepare. So walaupun kadang-kadang surgery macam cataract surgery lah, it's quite straightforward. Tetapi kita kena selalu berhati-hati. You know, kita kena tahu yang this can happen, and know what you should do lah lepas tu. So sifat risau tu, ya, especially me lah, sentiasa ada. Okay, bukan tak confident nak buat. Okay, itu lain. Okay, of course we know what to do. Of course kita rasa confident nak buat. Okay, tetapi maybe berhati-hati, that's the word, rather than risau lah kind of thing.
Betul-betul. Ya, sebenarnya kita punya tindakan berhati-hati tu datang daripada rasa risau dulu.
Yes,
kan?
and also having perasaan risau, cautious is more be the word. Itu penting kerana then it shows that we know what our bidang, kita tahu, dan kita tahu apakah yang can go wrong.
Yes.
Kan?
Betul.
You know, rather than actually tak risau and rasa macam everything can go okay, perfect. Kadang-kadang overconfidence can kill not kill lah, but cause problems as well.
Betul. Agree. Dia tak boleh terlalu overconfident.
Tak boleh.
Walaupun kita rasa macam aku dah belajar benda ni, aku tahu, tapi still kita.
And sometimes when I do surgery also ataupun treat people, walaupun dah tahu yang tu yang terbaik untuk mereka, I still think of it at the end of the day, you know, boleh ke berjaya? Can the patient be better? And sometimes I go to the clinic and say, okay, call that patient now. Okay tak? You know, kind of thing. Tu pasal saya, my philosophy is if I want to do surgery, I have to make sure that I'm in the country. I tak pergi holiday, you know, kind of thing. So saya aturkan, make sure that bila buat surgery tu, I'm around. Supaya kalau patient risau ke, patient sakit ke, patient tiba-tiba mengalami masalah ke, I must be around to make sure that they are okay. Macam gitu. Sebab if you go for surgery, honey, lepas tu tiba-tiba you telefon, doktor tu tak ada, you rasa macam agak macam tak confident kan. Dah lah doktor tu yang buat saya, betul. Doktor lain pula nak betulkan, nak sembuhkan saya pula kan kalau ada problem. Jadi that's another way of my philosophy. When I do surgery, I make sure that I'm in the country. I don't go no holiday. I'm accessible lah maksudnya. I boleh di-contact.